At first, the skin may look normal, just another tired face after a long day. But when we move close, very close, tiny clogged pores begin to appear. Small blackheads, trapped oil, a texture that isn't as smooth as it seems. Maybe you know this feeling. You sleep early, you wash your face, and still a new pimple appears by morning. Your skin feels oily by noon. Your pores look bigger under the light. You try so many products, and still, something feels unfinished. This is more common than you think. Let's look closer, slowly. Right here, small blackheads sitting quietly in the pores. A little oil buildup near the nose. Some rough texture across the cheeks. Nothing dramatic. Just the small, everyday things skin quietly collects. Today, we slow everything down. A calm, step-by-step routine. Gentle care, no rushing. The goal isn't a miracle overnight. It's cleaner pores, smoother texture, and skin that feels healthier with time. Step-by-step cleansing. Step 1, gentle cleansing. A soft cleanser glides across the skin slowly. Surface oil begins to break down. Light dirt lifts away. The skin already feels a little softer, a little lighter. Step 2, the second cleanse. This one goes a little deeper. It prepares the pores, clearing what the first cleanse left behind. Skin is now ready for the next part of the routine. Step 3, warm steam. Gentle warmth touches the skin, softening buildup inside the pores. Nothing harsh, just warmth, slowly opening the way for deeper care. Close your eyes for a second and imagine that warmth on your own skin. Step 4, smart exfoliation. No harsh scrubbing here, just a gentle sweep across the surface, lifting dead skin cells, helping clogged pores breathe again. Calm, careful, controlled. Step 5, targeted pimple care. A calming touch is applied to acne-prone areas. Ingredients like salicylic acid and niacinamide work quietly underneath the surface, helping skin feel calmer, more balanced. And now, the most satisfying part begins. Slowly, carefully, the clogged areas begin to soften. Blackheads appear less visible, the congested look starts to fade, texture becomes smoother, pore by pore. Look at the change already forming. Congestion fading, pores looking cleaner, the skin's surface smoothing out little by little. It feels lighter, already fresher, more balanced. Step 6, soothing toner. A calming layer sweeps across the face. Redness starts to look reduced. The skin settles down, comfortable, calm, balanced again. Step 7, moisturizer. Hydration matters here. A lightweight moisturizer glides on, supporting the skin barrier. The finish is soft, not heavy, just balanced, healthy moisture. Step 8, sunscreen. A final layer of protection. It shields the skin through the day and helps prevent dark marks from looking worse over time. Simple, necessary, easy to forget, but important. Let's recap the routine. In the morning, cleanse, treat if needed, moisturize, protect with sunscreen. At night, cleanse, deep cleanse, gentle exfoliation. On select days, treat and moisturize. Clearer skin is not built in one night. It improves slowly, with gentle care and consistency. Some days will look better than others. That's normal. That's skin. Look one final time. Before, clogged pores, oily buildup, rough texture, visible pimples. After, cleaner pores, smoother surface, calmer skin, a fresher, more balanced glow. Step by step, pore by pore, the skin begins to look cleaner, calmer, healthier. If this routine helped you relax, like the video, and subscribe for more calming skincare care.